What's the meaning of adjudicator? Adjudicator. 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 An adjudicator is a person who presides over and makes a decision in a legal or formal dispute. The role of an adjudicator is to impartially examine the evidence presented by the parties involved in the dispute, interpret it according to the relevant laws or regulations, and make a binding decision on the matter. The adjudicator's decision is final and cannot be appealed unless there is proof of bias or procedural error. Adjudicators are commonly used in various fields, including labor disputes, insurance claims, construction contracts, and intellectual property disputes. By providing a fair and efficient resolution process, adjudicators help ensure that disputes are resolved quickly and justly.